Hi guys, welcome to Mala's Verse. Welcome if you're new here, welcome if you have been here before. Thank you so much for joining me in today's reading. Today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. Just a moment. And Aquarius, we are going to look into what is a compliment you do not get to hear. For a minute there, I forgot the title. But before we get into your reading, Aquarius, take a few deep breaths and breathe out through your mouth. I'm going to ring the singing bowl. All right, Aquarius. So the main message here, or the main card here that we have for you as a compliment you don't get to hear, we have the Wheel of Fortune. And I was about to say Ten of Swords, so that's interesting because maybe that relates to your main message here. So the bottom deck energy is King of Swords and the Ten of Wands. Sorry, the Ten of Wands and the King of Swords. So the Ten of Wands is first and then the King of Swords. And the bottom deck energy is representing a compliment you may not get to hear because people recognize this about you energetically more so than they actually can logicalize it in their brain. So it's more so energy that they perceive. And with the Ten of Wands going to a King of Swords, and then we have the Fool card, it just tells me that people are amazed by, or I would say even in awe, and find it very courageous of you, Aquarius, that you do not carry anyone else's baggage. You are more than willing to do you are more than willing to do or go the extra mile or do the extra work when it is pertaining to your life, your life's goals. Or, and I'm not saying it's in a selfish way, but more so your life, in the sense it's more aligned to who you are, honesty with integrity. And with the King of Swords, you're very clear cut about your boundaries. Essentially, you will not carry anybody else's baggage or load. And with the Fool card here, it's this is what I'm talking about. Like, you won't carry anyone else's unnecessary baggage, and you are in a refreshed energy because of that. You're able to preserve your energy and nourish yourself because of that, because we have, after the Fool, we have the Four of Pentacles. So you're very and abundant within who you are, within your home energy, being at home with yourself. And so you don't carry unnecessary baggages just to prove a point or just to make others believe that you care about them. So you genuinely do care about them, but you're very clear about what you carry forward and what you don't. And a compliment that you may get to hear, or that is evident with people's behavior towards you, for that, we have the top deck energy, which is the Five of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. It's so interesting. We're going from a 5 to a 10, or doubling energy or multiplying energy. And with the Five of Cups going to a Ten of Pentacles, what I'm receiving here is that people may give you compliments about how you are able to salvage from the worst of situations, especially emotionally, and not just salvage from the situation, but also care for other beings, other people within that situation as well. It's not that you dishonor your emotions, you honor your emotions, but you also take care of those who are in distress or have been at the effect of a certain situation that you both have been, or you all have been a part of. And with the Ten of Pentacles, it reinforces that community energy. And not just that, but it also has created an abundant nature and an abundant environment around you, an abundance of people who might even be contributing to you materially, financially, physically, in some way, shape, or form. Maybe you guys have a barter system, kind of an energy with yourself, where one cooks, the other takes you out, drives you around and stuff like that. So people might compliment you about this, as to how strong a community sense you have, how you care for others, and how that has contributed to your physical stability and well-being as well. I would say even overall health for many of you, Aquarius. And with the Wheel of Fortune being a message coming here as to a compliment you may not get to receive or hear, with a 10, wow, 10 energy is coming through quite strongly. So about completions and rebirths, definitely, and beginnings, essentially. And what I'm receiving here is essentially how blessed you are and the blessings that you have, specifically when it comes to blessings around not being deterred from your pathway, not getting distracted from your pathway, from where you are heading, what your target is, and the blessing around this. And specifically, I feel like this is like a protection. It could be from a deity or from an ancestor. That's the energy I'm receiving, especially a water god, and someone who's related to water. Maybe if it's an ancestor or someone who is a passed on loved one, they might have lived around water or in some way, shape, or form, or they might have a connection with water. So this is what is a compliment you may not get to receive, essentially, which is how blessed you are, and especially in terms of being protected from distractions around your life path, around where you need to go. You are quite blessed in terms of being focused and having your eye on the prize. So that's a blessing that you have, and people may not give you your flowers for the same. So Aquarius, that's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for joining. I hope that this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you again so much for joining, and I hope to see you in future readings. Bye bye.